Researcher, you are using so many tools to enhance your productivity and boost your creativity as a researcher, and today's tool is going to take you a step ahead in structuring the information, in structuring what's in your mind is, and how you can bring your all the plans, all the information in the form of a mind map. Definitely when you are working on any kind of a research topic or any kind of a research project, there are so many things which are going on and you are working on so many things together. And sometimes you lost the process, you lost the step-by-step flow you have to follow. And for that purpose, today's tool is going to help you. I'm talking about Edrawmind, an AI-powered mind mapping tool that basically take all that chaos in your head and turns it into structure. And the best part, it works with online and desktop for both. And you can give it a free try. Cool. Let me show you how cool this is. Edrawmind helps you to brainstorm and turn a single sentence into a structured mind map in just a click. You can use its AI writer, customize your mind map with a variety of visuals, appealing themes, adopt your mind map structure to fit your needs with multiple layout options. You can convert your images, slides, talks, or even Excel sheets into a structured mind map effortlessly, and you can turn these mind map into professional presentation with various styles in a single click, and you can brainstorm and edit them and can multiple images, and you can play with the creativity just by staying on the same tool. Not only this, you can share, collaborate on your document just by a single click. You have both options. You can download its desktop version or you can start using it online. I'm using its desktop version, and when I go to the home page, you can see that there are so many things you can do, and there are so many built-in templates which will help you to organize your information in a way you want. So for example, I want to get the structured summary or a mind map of a research paper or a research document I'm working on, or I want to understand the information in that. I just click on the import button and will select a document. So for example, I want to understand this specific document. I will click on it, and just in a fraction of seconds, I will be able to see the mind map of the information that had been put in that document. Not only this, I can select the layout of my own choice, and just by clicking on a layout, the entire structure will be changed in a fraction of seconds, and this will allow me to select the format of my choice I want to keep in. So as you can see, when I zoom in, I can see the entire details of that document just by zooming in, and the quality will not be compromised. And for example, if I want to use this mind map in my research document, I can change the font style, I can fill it and can border it, I can make it more attractive and easy to understand. Not only this, I can see it in the form of an outline document which I can edit and make changes where I want to make. And then I can see it in the form of a milestone documents, and here you can see that your document have been bifurcated into the steppable milestones which you can do, and then you can add the new card and add the steps at this stage which you want to perform. And when you have done with that, you can change the status. And not only this, you can convert this document into a very beautiful interactive presentation in a single click. And when the tool have done with the creation of the text of the each style, you will go to the select template and generate slide option, and in few seconds you will be able to convert an entire complex document into an understandable, well-structured mind map along with a presentable presentation. You cannot just play with your documents. You can summarize the complex concept of any YouTube video just by entering the link of that video. And for that purpose, you have to go for AI file analysis. Here you can go for long text, PDF doc, simple prompt, image, or YouTube video. You can analyze the images, and in the same way you can convert this image into an interactive presentation. Along with, you can also generate a mind map of how to prepare exams for any process, anything in which you feel stuck in. And for example, you want to prepare the step-by-step process of how you have to prepare for your exams. You can use this AI writer, which integrate with its mind map feature and will help you to give you an entire structure, a step-by-step process with all the details which you have followed to prepare best for your exams. So this is the overview exam preparation, understanding the exam format, types of exam structure, setting study goals, creating a study schedule, and then effective study techniques and revision strategy. So in this way, you will be able to brainstorm on any topic with the help of Edrawmind, and it will take you ahead from planning to implementation. You can access the tool from the link which is available in description, and if you feel stuck anywhere, you can ask in the comment section. I will see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.